Up here. High five muna. And bola ng blue. Let's go. PMI with the ball. PMI pass to Bona, intercepted by Nak. Same ball, same ball, same ball.
15 seconds.
15 seconds, shot clock. Shot clock. Short. Jeremy with the rebound. Bring up the ball. Yun na, yun na, yun na. Nice one. No. Rebound by Nak. Kuya Eman. Kuya Eman with the floater. Intercepted by Bona. Bona on a fast break. Pasa. First blood. Team Blue.
2 points.
2 points. Mai, bring up the ball. Number 28. Number 28, pass, took inside to Bona. Bona. Pumasok yun? Pumasok. 2 points. Pasok, 2 points. 4-0 in favor of Team Blue. Nak?
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Kuya Mai, Kuya Eman. Eman driving, floater, no good. Rebound. Foul, 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 foul. Foul number. Outside. Gums. Hi, Gums. Hi. Ano nga, Gums? Kuya Mai, no good. Rebound by Nak. Nak bring up the ball. Naghahanap, pasa kay Kuya Eman. Eman to Kuya Jerry. Hindi pumasok. Foul number 2. First personal foul, number 2. Number 28. Looking. Gums.
15 seconds.
15 seconds shot clock. Bona. Back to Gums. Gums 3 points! Hindi pumasok. Warm up pa yun. Warm up. Number 9, Kuya Eman. Kuya Eman, naghahanap. Floater, block shot. Bona. Stolen again.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Game time.
6-0.
Score is 6-0 in favor of Team Blue. Jerry Sexton. Good pass to Eman. Kuya Mai, naghanap. Goes for the perimeter shot. No, foul. Traveling violation. Sexton with the ball. Eman intercepted.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Intercepted. Too fast, too far. Change.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Yeah, man.
6-0.
Okay, Mike. Perimeter shot. No good. Jerry with the rebound. Hindi pumasok. Bona. Hindi. Sexton with the rebound. Sexton bring up the ball. Eman. Intercepted again. Number 29. Pasok.
8-0.
Score is 8-0. Blue is on an 8-point run.
8.0 run. 8-0 run.
Kuya Mike. Yeah. Kuya Mike, good pass to Sexton. Sexton with the floater, no good. Oop. Not with the rebound.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Emma for the first point. Yes, sir. First point, Team Red. Gums. Pinasa. Kuya RJ.
Pichi.
Set daw muna, set. Kuya RJ, pass to Gums. Gums with a 3. Oh, no.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Kuya RJ, no good. Rebound. Gums with a 3. Yeah, Gums! Sexton with a rebound. Kuya Mike. Foul.
May sabi, baka, Dennis, may sabi baka tapos, yung pasurot-surot ko ni Iguan, Nilo. Ano yun, sinamong?
Baka na, basta may pagkain.
Team Red. Kuya Mike, for the ball. Mike, pass to Kuya Man. Kuya Man. Floater, no good. Knock. Nice one. Knock with the put back.
At 4.
5 minutes and 4 minutes. 4 minutes left sa first quarter. Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike, sa gitna.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Kuya Mike. No good. Kuya Jerry with the rebound. Oh.
Sa tepi!
Foul.
Sa tepi!
Stepping on the line. Same ball.
Ano yun? 24 or 14?
14. Bona. Foul! Kuya Evan, number 9. Score is 8-4 in favor of Team Blue. Bona, first attempt. No good.
Yung masya niya,
Ano pa? Ano pa?
sarap.
Tinapay.
Pagkain.
Lima ko lang.
Pagkain.
Tinapay yan.
Sabi ni Dennis, basta pagkain daw.
Shot no good. Sexton with the rebound.
Pagkain daw bago.
Okay, Jerry. Number 1.
Yan si
No good. Good. Sorry.
Nice!
Sexton! No good, Sexton. Bona, good pass. Accepted. Nina. Kuya Eman.
3 minutes.
3 minutes left. Oh, binalik. 3 points, number 9. No good. Oh, nahulog. Sub. Team Blue. Sub. Kuya Abel in.
Si Jerry.
Substitution. Kuya Abel in. 29 out. Gums out. Finally,
6-8.
score is 6-8, still in favor of Team Blue.
One point, Jerry. Sino nagsundo?
Si Kuya Jerry.
1 point?
2 points.
Ay, ito sa...
Never mind. Good pass.
5 seconds.
Bona. No good. Sexton with the rebound. Daming rebound ni Sexton ah. Kyrie, number 11. Sexton.
Uy.
Turnover.
Bawi na lang, bawi.
1 minute remaining. Kuya Jerry with the intercept. Kuya Eman. Easy, no, easy. Not with the... Foul. Substitution, Team Red. Kuya Randy in.
1 128.
Oh, sorry, Sean in. Jerry out. Sub? Oh. Next.
14 seconds.
14 seconds, shot clock. Bona.
Nice.
Unstoppable, no? Not with a rebound. Ganda ng rebound na. Kuya naman. Number 9. Number 9, good screen by Sean. Number 14,
10
good
seconds.
pass to second. Oh, hindi pumasok. Kuya Mai. Kuya RJ. To Kuya RJ. Kuya RJ with the reverse. No good. Mike intercepted. Oh no.
50 seconds.
15 seconds. 50
50.
seconds. Kuya naman. Foul. Foul number. Number 23? Yeah, 23.
48 seconds.
48 seconds remaining
Sino ang number 22?
in our first quarter.
Gatas.
Score is 8-6. Low scoring game. Na. Good shot.
8 all.
8 goal.
Score is 8-all.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. 40 seconds remaining sa first quarter of our Taraki Sport. Ano ba ito? Sport na pangliga. Sexton with the rebound.
22
Sexton.
seconds.
Sexton. Pasa to Na. Na. Good shot by Na. Good pass by. Line ball.
13 seconds, 13
seconds. Turnover.
13 seconds.
Lakas po siya na kanina, so 10 na. Pa-8 all kanina eh. Nakatama. Sexton. Mike. No good. Kuya Abel.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
5, 3, 2, bell. Time.
And that is our fourth quarter. First quarter. Score is 8-10 in favor of Team Red.
Good job guys, good job.
Lakas ng depensa.
Tayo matumaray.
Woo! Nagpix at depensa.
Next nga butos. Tumaray kayo ano.
Dikit oh.
We expect great things from you, Sean. Great things from you. 3 points, no good.
Jerry boy.
Jerry with the rebound, put back. And
Jerry
the
boy.
second point of the morning. Sean with the field attempt to steal.
Yun, lamang na ang Team Red.
Carry. Carry ball. Lifting. Turnover, Red Bull. Score is 12-8 in favor of Team Red Bull. Yeman with a 3. No good. Joseph with a rebound. Number 29. Number 23. And dash in. No good. Foul. No basket. Number 42? Oh, 24. Number 24. Oh, number 14. Sorry, number 14. Number 14, Sean Tamanao.
Ayun ka ni...
Number 23, first attempt. Free throw.
Trabaho na siguro.
Ano nangyari?
Good. May sapay. Amumi.
Ayun, pasok.
Wala. Di ba masok?
Good, amumi. May sapay.
Number 23, second attempt. No good. Rebound number 29. Good shot.
Supportahan lang. Mark.
10-12. Kuya Randy with the ball. Eman to Sean. Sean, fake. Good pass to number 8. Number 9. Good pass. Hindi pala pumasok, sorry. Number 23.
Sige.
Stepping. Ah, okay, sorry.
Same ball.
Symbol.
Ulit to. Technical.
Technical referee.
Sa blue nakatingin.
Volleyball.
Number 23. Ball for the 3. Foul! Foul. Eman.
3.
Score is 10-12. Still in favor of... No, wait. Blue na to.
Penalty.
Ball first attempt. No good.
Wala to yun. Sa lagay sa dapat.
Di penalty. Ay, di foul.
Din foul ka lang. Tag-isa pa lang sila.
Ball second shot. No good. Jerry with the rebound. Jerry. Hey, Randy, pumasok. Good pass. No good. Randy with the rebound. Shot. Randy with the reverse. No good. Ball. Number 29. Free Joseph. Number 23. 23. Number 29. Poke for the 3. No good.
Hey!
Number 23. Put back. No good. Eman.
7 minutes.
7 minutes left. Good pass to.
Suporta.
Turnover. Foul. Jerry.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Jerry.
Si Jerry din makashoot.
First shot, number 23. Good shot. Second attempt.
Nice mark.
2 for 2. Jerry to Sean.
Tatlo lang. Wow.
Score is 12-15 in favor of Team Blue. Randy. Jerry. Reverse. Good shot.
Score. Check. 17 dan. Di block.
Yeah, 17. Yeah.
Number 29. So number 7, 1,000.
Sub.
Substitution.
Bon, sino siya, Bon?
Substitution. Comes in. Oh no, sorry. Bona in.
Ada pa nag-free throw tatay?
Win.
Sino? Kinya.
Eman. Randy. Intercepted. Foul. Anong team foul na yun? Tatlo na, di ba?
Penalty na. Team foul.
Third team foul pa.
Third.
Third pa lang.
Duwan si foul ni man. Yok to fouls.
Gusto mo?
Nyok with 2 fouls. Kuya Man with 2 fouls.
Times mo na.
Bok.
Hi.
23. 23. Turnover. Red ball. Sean.
5 minutes.
5 minutes left for the second quarter. Balik ni Sean. Kuya Man. Back to Sean. Sean. No good. Jerry with the putback. Wala pa rin. Kuya Eman. Good shot. Score is 12-19 in favor of Red Bull.
Still. Mark.
Good. Good. Time out, Team Blue. Inbound, Gums to Mai. Ito nakita. Bona! Foul, counted.
10-21.
14-21.
Bona.
Upatan mo the team.
Ay, 4. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Team Red. Sexton with the rebound. Sexton the dash. Sexton with, oh, block by Bona.
One day man.
Number 9 floater. Good shot. Number 23.
Hindi counted si
RJ.
Counted.
RJ.
14.
Number 2. Kuyamay. Gums. Number 23. Nag fake. Floater. No good. Uy.
Wow, shoot.
Ah.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Hindi.
Hindi penalty. Hindi penalty. Sorry.
Sa kabila dapat.
Sa kabila. No good. Second shot. No good. Sexton with the rebound. Bona. Line ball. Stepping in the line. Score is 23-14 in favor of Red Bull. Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Sexton with a cut, no good. One with the rebound, Sean. Sean with the
Go,
put
Johnny!
down.
25-14.
25-14, favor of Red Bull.
Nice one, Johnny!
Johnny's shots.
10
Number 28.
seconds.
Hey,
Clock. 10
everyone
seconds.
knows that, man.
5 seconds at clock.
Bona. Unstoppable. Sean. Score is 16-25. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Sean. Wala. Red ball. Number 9. No good. Bona. May rebound. Number 23. Same ball? No, blue ball. No, red ball. Turnover.
Invite ka ni Manong Elsid.
Time remaining 1 minute and 36 seconds.
Nakabas mo na.
Sean to Tyler Hero.
136.
Number 1 to Sean. Sean, good pass inside. Sexton, good fake. Good put back by Sean. Kuyamay. Pass inside to Grams. Intercepted by Tyler Hero. Number 23. Foul number.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Sino po?
Penalty.
Si Jerry.
Penalty.
Oh, Jerry.
Two shots.
2 shots.
Yes. Mark Urig.
Basket. Second. No good. Sexton with the rebound. Sexton. Jerick.
1 minute.
Tyler Hero with a foul. Foul number 23? Yeah, 23. Sean.
1 minute.
Sexton, no good.
Boom!
Bona with the rebound. Bona. One man fast break. No, pass to Gang. No good. Hindi pala yan si Gang.
41 seconds.
Time remaining 41 seconds.
17 lang to, 17 lang.
Score is 17-27 in favor of Team Red. Overhead.
32 seconds.
22 seconds. Score is 17-27 in favor of Red.
Pag minus kami, may sakto.
23. Cabona, intercepted. Tyler Hero.
Pagibon, pagibon!
Tyler Hero, no good. 23.
20 seconds.
Intercepted by Sean. Back to Tyler Hero. Sexton. Derek. No good. No foul. RJ.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
One man fast break with pass to Mai. No good.
Bell.
Eman inbounding the ball. Eman to Jerry. Jerry. No good. 29. 9. We are Jay. Too strong. Good pass. Jerry.
Walo na.
Number 1. Eman. Mike. Randy. No good. Bona in the rebound. Bona in the one man pass break. Not in the rebound. Randy. Intercepted by Evo. Bona. Foul. Penalty. Penalty? Oh, sorry. Hindi pala penalty. Sorry.
New quarter.
Oo nga, new quarter pala. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. New quarter na pala. Sorry.
Kung kanina, penalty na.
Oh, RJ to Bona. Good shot. Score is 27-21. Number 11, no good. Blackey. Time remaining 8 minutes and 33 seconds in our third quarter. Inbound, Eman inbound. Randy.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Reverse, no good. Okay. Randy, Eman, Jerry. Basket.
29, 21.
91, Abel. Okay. Good. Bola. Mike to Eman, intercepted. Same ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Score is 29-21 in favor of Red Bull. Eman recovered the ball. Eman, Randy, Mike, perimeter basket, no good. Number 29, no look pass to Randy. Kuya Jerry, to Nat. Balake. Abel to RJ, easy 2-point. Hindi nakita na kami na, thank you. Hindi nakita na. Jerry, fade away, no good. Nat with the rebound. Eman. Good shot by Eman. Time remaining 6 minutes and 44 seconds.
Next set ball.
Score is 31-21 favor of Red Bull. Abel with the three, no good. Brandon with the rebound. Hail Mary pass to Eman. Good shot. Ball to RJ. RJ. Good pass. Oh no. Intercepted by Jerry Eman. 2v1, 2v2. Mike. Perimeter shot, no good. Binalik. Good pass to Eman. Timeout. Bona. No good. Sexton. Mike. Good shot. Basket count.
Finally.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. No, Kemai. Bona. Perimeter shot, no good. Sexton.
Ni Lardy ah.
Same ball. Time remaining 5 minutes. Score is 37-21, favor of Team Red. Sexton with a basket. Good cut by Sexton.
Lord.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Gums. Number 23.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Bona with a fade. Hook shot. Basket count. Jerry, Hail Mary pass. Intercepted by number 23. Foul.
Lardy.
Warning na. Hindi ba?
Second pa lang.
Second team foul. May personal foul ba? How much personal foul does he have? Dalawa na ata? 23.
Nice one.
Okay, Jerry, na.
Mine doesn't shoot and you say nice one.
Okay, Jerry. Number 8.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Sexton blocked. Not with a rebound. No good. Gums. Ooh. Don't.
39, 25.
Jerry. Perimeter shot. No good. Tapos. Bona. Intercepted by Mike. Easy basket. Easy point. Easy point, easy line. Time remaining 3 minutes. Score is 41-25 in favor of Red Bull. Gums.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Ooh, Bona. No good. No 23. Fade away, no good. Not with a rebound. Sexton. Mike.
Get away.
No good. Bona. Number 23. Foul. Foul number 1. Foul number 1.
Ayaw mag-time out. Okay, 2 minutes and...
Jerry out, Jerry in. Time remaining 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Score is 41-25 in favor of Team Red. No good. Rebound by Bona. Put back. Easy shot. Intercepted by 23. No good.
Louis.
Substitution. Ulrich in.
1 minute and 53.
Louis out. Jerry. Mike. Intercepted. Bona. Mike. Mike. Number 23. 3 points. No good. No good. Nick. Good block by Sean. Sexton with a steal to Mike. Easy basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Mike. Gams for 3. No good. Sean to Mike. Mike to Sean. Sean. No good. Derek back to Sean. Good. Interception by Gams.
54. 54 seconds.
54 seconds remaining. Score is 43-27 in favor of red. Jerry.
10 seconds.
Sexton. Out. Turnover.
46.
Wow! Penalty na ba? Hindi pa, no.
Ilan pa? Ilan?
3.
Sean, third personal.
Sean, that's your third team foul. Third personal foul.
13 foul.
And third team foul. Number 23.
For 35 seconds.
Yumay. Bona in the inside. Bona. Foul. No,
No good.
27.
Sean yun? Sean?
On.
Sean foul?
Sean foul.
Ano yun?
Fourth
Fourth
personal.
personal foul for Sean. Ano ba yung graduate? 5 or 4?
Five.
5. 5 or 6?
Lang nakaset yun.
Kaya man. Ano yung graduate? Sean, you're about to graduate, man.
Eman 2 team foul. Jerry.
No basket. Rebound by Sean. Sean, good pass to Jerick. Jerick, no good. Gams, number 23. Good shot. Time remaining 14 seconds. Now, to Mike. Bona.
Dennis,
5 seconds.
Dennis,
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Good shot.
3.
3 seconds. Now,
Game. Okay, back to the ball game. Tyler Hero.
yeah, Bill. Bona. Bona. No good. Running the rebound. Eman. Good screen. Randy. Back to Eman. Line ball. Score is 45-31 in favor of red. Time remaining 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Bell for the 3. No good. Not Eman. Randy Eman. Randy Eman.
Randy Eman Connection. 47.
RJ. RJ.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock.
Oh, 3.
Boom.
Ano yun?
3 points.
Mabel.
47-34. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Eman.
Itong buhay yung itong red short pick sila. Malilit sila.
Na. Air ball. Bona. No good. The rebound. Na. Randy. Sexton. Easy. Basket count 49-34. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 55, sorry, 50 seconds. RJ Tabona. Intercepted. Eman. Eman Randy connection. Eman Randy connection. Intercepted by Sexton. Tyler Hero. Sexton. Eman. Basket count. Timeout! Gams inbound.
Shoot!
Abel, Gams for 3, no. Kuya Mai. Derek. Derek. Na. Derek. Intercepted. Abel. Wow. Wow, Tyler Hero. Di pa. Abel Bona. Intercepted. Jerry. Jerry. All alone. Bang! Basket count. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Gams. Bona. No good. Jerry. Na.
Baba! Una!
Nakita ko pala doon.
Kasama pala yun. Sali pala.
Jerry. Pass to Mike. Poke with the rebound. Gams.
Tatlo, Gams! Baba na! Tatlo! Finish!
Good pass to Abel. No good.
Malas ay.
Baba! Baba!
Jerry. All alone. Good pass to Mike. Mike for easy basket. Gums. Book for 3. No good.
Stop.
Mike.
Let's close up.
Mike.
Oh,
Mike.
baba.
Mike. Bona.
Baba! Uy.
Okay, stop.
Substitution. 23 in. Bolt out.
Ed.
Ed out. Louis in. Sexton in. Jerick out. Jerick stay. First basket good. Mike. Intercepted by Gams. Number 23.
Nice D.
Okay, Mike. Back to 23. Floater. No good. Still no good. Gams. Bona. Kaya pa rin. Intercepted.
Ganun talaga. 10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. So for 3, no good. Number 23. Oh, last quarter na. Mike. Mike to Jerick. No good. Another rebound.
Nangangamoy lunch na.
Number 23.
Wala nang makascore. Wala nang makascore.
23, all alone.
Wala
No good.
talaga. Wala na.
Na.
Third quarter pa lang rin, di ba?
Fourth.
Naranggal pa isa.
Intercepted by Bona.
Run!
Bona.
Dunk, dunk,
Dunk! Jerry.
Foul yun na.
Sexton. Fade away. No good. Back to Sexton to Jerick. Jerick for 3. Short. Mike. No good.
Wala talaga.
Bona.
Yan, diretso.
Bona back to Bona. Bona. Finally.
Kaya pa.
Kayang-kaya po. Oh.
3 minutes. Kaya pa
Time
yan.
remaining. 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Ayun, foul.
Foul ang referee.
Foul.
Foul. Score 57-39 in favor of Team Red.
Sub, red.
Sub.
Okay. Stop.
Sabin, go in.
Bilang baka may 7, 8, 6.
Sana tayo. Pinapasok ko kasi Enzo. Pasok na. Hindi nakashoot tayo agad. Nung mali si Enzo, hindi na tayo nag-shoot. Parang, hindi. Natalo tayo dahil niya. Kakayo.
Second attempt, good. Sexton, na. 23.
Ano ba?
2 minutes.
Kasi na, pulang kayo sa oras.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds. RJ with the 3. No good. Sapa, fade away. Yes. Basket count.
Good. Kaya pa yan.
Score 58-41.
1 minute and
1
50.
minute and 50 seconds. Mike, no good. Abel, foul. Sean, graduate na ata. Graduate na?
Graduate.
Sean, graduate.
Second game pa lang.
Clap your hands. Yay.
Dami palang bullies dito
Second game pa lang.
Sa susunod, mag-ingat-ingat na tayo sa pag-post. Basket!
Wala. Basket count. 58-43. Time remaining. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Sexton. Louis. Randy. Do not look at. 3 seconds violation. Abel, easy basket. Randy. For you, Randy. Abel.
Pass break!
Louis.
1 minute.
1 minute and 2 seconds. Na. Nice one. Na again. Basket count.
Oy,
45 seconds remaining.
Net ball.
No foul.
No lunch first. Wait.
Randy. Louis.
Shoot way!
25 seconds.
Wait, rest!
15 seconds shot clock. Randy. Na. No good. Na again. No good. Sexton.
10 seconds.
No good. Louis.
7,
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2,
2. Time out.
And that's it for game B.
Walang sub kasi wala pang lunch.